Pangatlo, Christ test or the teaching about Christ. 1 John chapter 4 verses 2 and 3. This is how we know if they have the Spirit of God. If a person claiming to be a prophet acknowledges that Jesus Christ came in a real body, that person has the Spirit of God. But if someone claims to be a prophet and does not acknowledge the truth about Jesus, that person is not from God. Such a person has the spirit of the Antichrist, which you heard is coming into the world, and indeed is already here. Kung hindi tayo naniniwala na si Jesus Christ ay Panginoon at Diyos, hindi talaga tayo maliligtas. Yan ang tinuturo ng Bible. Jesus is 100% God, 100% man. Pangapat, the character test. Matthew chapter 7, 15 to 20. Beware of false prophets who come disguised as harmless sheep, but are really vicious wolves. You can identify them by their fruit, that is, by the way they act. Can you pick grapes from thorn bushes or figs from thistles? A good tree produces good fruit, and a bad tree produces bad fruit. A good tree